जैसा कि आप सब जानते हैं, एक राइडर होना बहुत डिफिकल्ट टास्क है और ज़्यादा डिफिकल्ट होता है राइड्स पे कॉल अटेंड करना. सो दिस वीडियो इज related to EJEAS Q8 Intercom. Hi, welcome to my channel. This is Akash and you are going to watch an installation of EJEAS and my exhaust helmet Adventure 1. And by the way, this is gifted by a very special one. She knows, she understands how difficult and hard it is to be on road, and especially when you are riding, like exploring the nature, exploring the cities, exploring the world, and the communication is the very important thing. Or ride करते वक्त call उठाना is way too risky. So for that, she gifted me this. So I have already unboxed it, and I just want to show you what all we have in this. So obvious, the main unit, we have the pretty, you can say, a masterpiece, the master artwork, like EJEAS Q8, the main part. And with that, we get two cute speaker. With this, we have few patches, like these are the patches we get with this. Generally, these patches are useful the moment, so suppose you have to remove everything, wash your helmet and clean your helmet. So these get non-sticky at a moment, or at a point it gets loose, like the stickiness gets loose. So for that part, or for that purpose, they used to give so much of the patches. And with this, we also get two of the mounts holder. So basically, these are the holder which will hold the EJEAS Q8, like the product itself. And with this, the good part is that we get two microphones. The one is this. This is for the open face helmet. If you have an open face helmet, so you will use this kind of a microphone, because this will hold over and you can have a proper communication. Same time, we get the other one which will get fits into the full face helmet, and it's super cool, quick. Like I say, it's very like a good product. I feel like overall presence take your chance. So without wasting time, let's install it. So I have already removed the pads, like the side one from the helmet, and I'll try to install this, the non-sticky patch one, to this one. And remember, always put the like intercom on your left side, because on a right hand side you need to hold the accelerator, and the left hand side should be free, like to take a call or to communicate with the riders, the fellow riders who are riding there. So I'll try to install it over here. Let me try if it gets done or not, because I don't feel like there's some sort of a extra bump into this helmet. But still, I'll try. If it fits well, let me try it. Then I'll show you like how it actually looks or how it actually performs. I guess it will work, or else I'll have to find a different.
I call, but you never seem to answer. All these moments washed away. Careful, 'cause your mind is filled with monsters. Every hunter has its prey. So tell me, where'd you go? I've seen it all before, one too many times. You have fire in your eyes and fly too close to the sun. Every high must come down. All this feels by your side, but what's haunting you the most? There's nobody around. There's nobody around. You have fire in your eyes. just calm down.